Hello, my name is Alicia Ferguson.
And I'm Paris Alexandra.
And we are BK Yoga Club. Today we're hanging out with Well+Good's The Right Way, and we're gonna show you 3 most common mistakes that people do when they come into their downward dog. So let's get into it. Paris is gonna be our lovely model today, showing us all the wrong ways that downward dog can come about. So firstly, you notice that Paris's elbows are bent out to the sides, and she's sending a lot of weight to the edges of her pinkies, not really grounding down here. We notice that the head is kind of lifted a little bit, and there's a slight puff in her upper back, right? So it's not quite in the direction that we'd like it. She's, oh wow, she's really bending in her knees here, and the heels are highly lifted off of the earth. So I'm sure this is painful. Let's help Paris out and straighten her all out, guys. Beautiful. So now let's correct these things. I love how you've done this on your own, Paris. This is beautiful. So now you notice that her hands are pressing to the thumb and the index finger. So she shifted her weight from the outside of the hand to the inside, which helps her biceps roll in. Her elbows are nice and long, strong through the arms here. This looks beautiful. Crown of the head is reaching and sending energy down to the earth. It's not strained in the neck, which kind of hurts. And notice when she did that, her whole spine became elongated. So we're no longer puffing up through this upper back, right? Beautiful. Whoa, I want to say the biggest change is these legs here. So she found some length in her hamstrings, knees are no longer bent, and the heels are sending energy and pressing towards the earth. Great job, Paris. Let's get you out of this. So if you loved what you saw today and you would love to see more of the right way to do some of these postures, please make sure you subscribe to Well+Good. And you can follow us at BK Yoga Club. We'll see you next time on the mat.
Bye.